how to add order forms on your Wix website. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go on your website and then you are going to click on edit website. As you click on edit website, it will take you to this page. This is your edit website page, and over here you have to go on add apps. As you go to add apps, over here you can search for online order forms, or you can go to 123 form. That is my favorite. So it is 123 form builder and payment, and you have to add it. I have already added it, so I have to click on add again so that I can add it twice. Then I have to cross the section off, and this will be the layout. Then you have to go on the settings option. As you go to the settings option, then you have to scroll up to the forms option, and over here you have to go on order form. As you go on the order form, it will show you the order form right over here. So you have to drag it down over here so that you can configure it according to the theme. Then you can select the types or the layout, or you can go to customize form. You can select the type, you can select the product, and you can select whatever you want by signing it over here. And this is how you can add order form to your Wix website. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.